Okay, welcome, and in this video I'm going to do a really quick walkthrough of how to create a single sign-on token. This is not going to be so much about how to use one, but just how to, where do you go, how do you create one, how do you manage these tokens. There's actually a new menu item for these kind of options now. It's just under integrations, and they're just kind of broken down into some categories. So of course this one's under authentication. I'm not going to explain the other ones right now. I might do that in another video. So we're going to go to single sign-on. We're going to manage SSO tokens, and this is different than the old one. Before, we used to just have a single password field. You just kind of set it up and then we would create a hash, but this is way more secure using tokens. You can have multiple tokens. You can revoke remove and revoke a token so it can't be used anymore. So if you have multiple websites or places where you want to use tokens, instead of sharing them a single token, you can just create another one. So I have one here that I was testing on a WordPress site, and I'm going to just create another one, and let's just call this one SSO token for main website. Just making it up. So we'll click OK. That's going to go out to the API and create the token. There it is. Now, one thing about these that I put this in the notes up here is when you create a new token, you got to copy it right away. You can't, if you reload this page or you navigate away, it's gone and you can't see it anymore. And that is just a security feature. Actually, most people who are using tokens now do that. You can just get the token once, copy it, put it into wherever you're going to use it, and then nobody can see it anymore. And that's, again, like I said, it's just for security and make sure that nobody can just log in here and get the token and use it somewhere else. So I'll copy that, and then I get the confirmation it's copied to the clipboard. And now I could just go into, let's see, I was doing another video about how to, let's see if this is a good example. Yeah, let's go to the dashboard on this. I was showing how you set this up. This is the WordPress single sign-on plugin, and so you would just go right in here under SSO token and you'd paste it in there and save it. So I'm not going to override the one I've already got on there, but that's how you can use it. Or if you're doing something more custom, you can go in and download the sample code from the downloads page on our website, and you can see how to implement single sign-on there as well. So that's it. And again, if you want to revoke, I'll go ahead and remove this one. But let me reload the page so you can see what I'm talking about. You'll see that once I reload, I can't see the other token anymore. I actually can't see either of them. So here's the one I just created 2 minutes ago, and I did copy it, but let's just assume we don't need to use it, so we're going to remove it. Just confirm, and that token is now gone. It can't be used anymore. So like I said, if you had put the token out there somewhere now, it will not work. So, alright, that's it for now. Hopefully this video will help you get your SSO integration set up. Until next time.